Ace Magashule, the blesser, so says former Free State Social Economic Development MEC Mxolisi Dukwana. He's testifying at the state capture inquiry for the second day, or he has been, and he held a few punches, especially for the former Free State Premier. Michael Apple has more.
Mxolisi Dukwana's testimony on day 2 on the stand for him was unambiguous. He says an unnecessary 2014 Free State asbestos audit project was invented simply to loot.
Normally and usually, when a bidder submits a tender document, one would submit it with the relevant documents, including a valid tax certificate. Am I correct?
Yes, you are correct.
Was there any tender in regard to the specific project?
There was no tender.
Ultimately, 230 million rand is paid for the information the municipalities already had or could easily get for free.
This project was a brazen act of corruption executed by state officials in concert with the business persons at the behest of the Premier of the Free State, Mr. Magashule, at that time.
Dukwana says many got their slice of the taxpayers' pie, including the province's number one. Dukwana says former Free State Premier Ace Magashule is quite the philanthropist. Or, how did he put it?
Mr. Magashule was simply a blesser to many, due to payments advanced by Mr. Mpambane from monies corruptly and fraudulently sourced from the state coffers through the asbestos project. At the behest of Mr. Magashule, Mr. Mpambane paid sums of monies for some students studying through various universities here and abroad.
If you ever thought the chairperson was out of touch with contemporary lingo, think again.
It appears the chairperson is well versed with the concept of blesser and the blessing.
Well, the chairperson reads newspapers and...
Dukwana says if law enforcement had done their work, Magashule wouldn't be sitting in Lutuli House, but somewhere a little less comfortable.
I submit that the involvement of Mr. Magashule in this asbestos audit heist makes him unfit to hold public office or the office of the Secretary-General of the ANC. Mr. Magashule's suitable place of abode in public is a jail cell.
The inquiry continues on Thursday. Michael Apple, Johannesburg.